Hi, welcome. Today we're going to learn about Follett Destiny, CMS's online catalog to find books in your library. There are two ways you can find this. One is to Google CMS Student Portal, or if you're on a school computer, click the Windows button in the bottom left, go to All Programs, and then find Follett Destiny. Remember though, this is only available if you're at schools. Today we're going to Google CMS Student Portal. If you're on a Chromebook, you'll notice it's already a tab up at the top. Go ahead and click that if that's what you're on. If you're not, and you have Googled CMS Student Portal, then click the first link. You'll see Student Portal, Charlotte-Mecklenburg Schools. This should look familiar to you. When you scroll on this page, you'll see all of the resources available to you as a student. Today we're going to focus on Follett Destiny. It's in the bottom right-hand corner. I'm going to click that. From here, you need to find your school. Today, we're going to look at Myers Park High School. You can select any school that is yours. Just remember, if you pick one that isn't yours, you're not going to have access to those materials. So once you get here, you have a page with some links, and they're very helpful links, especially the school library's website. But today, we're going to focus on the catalog. Click the Catalog tab. From here, you have your search box. Today, we're going to search violence. So I'm just going to type that in to the find box right there. When I'm done doing that, I have 5 options. I can do a keyword search, which will allow me to find any book that mentions the word violence. I can do a title search, which will find me any book that has the word violence in the title. I can do an author search, which is not appropriate here because violence is not the name of an author. If I were looking for James Patterson, this would be helpful. The subject search button is probably our best pick for this option. It's going to find any book that has been designated as being about violence. The last one is series. This would be helpful if I wanted to find a book in a series. So we're going to go ahead and click subject. From here, it shows that I have 32 books. I can begin my search by just clicking the first title, but the first thing I really want to do is to make sure the book is in my library. Over here on the right, it tells me if the book is available. You want to make sure at least one copy is available. That means you can go find it on the shelf. If it says 0 is available, then I would find a different book. Once you know it's available, let's look at the call number. The call number is listed right below the title and tells you the specific location of the book in the library. This is located in 362.76, which I know means it's in the nonfiction collection. I can click on the title to get more information. I do also note that it's published in 2009. 7 years old. It's getting a little old, but might be worth looking at. When I click on it, it tells me a little bit about the topic. I can scroll down to get more information. I have this Explore option, and anywhere you see the Find It button and the hyperlink, that means you can click and find more books. So if Teenagers Crimes Against was highlighted and had the Find It button, I could click on that and find more books that are about that topic. Unfortunately, in this example, I can't click on these, but I can come down here and click on the Issues in Focus Today. That means I can find more books like this one, Beyond Bruises. It's in that series. So if I know I want something about contemporary issues, this would be a good place to go. I can see other information, additional information about the book. It's been reviewed. It might have won some prizes as well. If I decide that that's the book I want, all I need to do is simply write down the book and go find it. If I'm having troubles finding the book, ask a media specialist. I'm sure they would be helpful. If you scroll down a little farther, you'll notice we have one book, Ephraim's Secret. This is a fictional novel, meaning it's not true. So while it may be enjoyable to read, it's not an appropriate source for a research paper. I hope that you've had fun today on our lovely search of the Destiny Follett catalog. If you have any questions, please go visit your media center. I'm sure they'd be glad to help.